Tuesday, January 12th, I believe it is. And Dad is still working on the 67 here. He's got the front opened up and he's got the new windshield wiper motor installed. And he was just working on the light bar. It was the last thing that I think he had to do there. And look at those lights, nice and bright. And so where the light bar was before was down there, and we actually had to uninstall it because Dad had to open up the front, and that front cage was blocking as well. So asked the customer, well, do you want us to reinstall it? Oh yeah, 100%. He wanted it to get done. So we'll check in with Dad and Aidan here and see what's going on.
Look in from that side. All the wiring is in and covered.
Okay, there you go. And everything's down around the front, and the wiring would have been done underneath there. And this is the first time we've actually had the floor off, so Dad would have had to probably restring some wiring down there. That's why he's got the floor off. It needs to be cleaned up, but that's not going to be a this time task, because the customer wants his machine back, and we've got quite a bit done here already. And he wants to come back for service anyway in the summer. And Dad's got the light on back here, and he was working on stuff. So we're just going to go around the other side and see what else he's got to do here. He dropped down the...
Look at his...
Oh, wow. Okay.
For his fishing lights.
Yeah.
He wants to...
Turn it around, yeah. That's beautiful. I'd be very, 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 very happy with that. And so what do you got working on here?
Okay, now these here, yeah, one on each side, and then we're going to call it a day.
Okay. So what's left to do here?
Well, I got to start it and run it and see how everything is.
Okay.
And we got a little bit of tracking down to do.
Okay.
Tying to do.
Okay. So I'm going to take a bunch of photos here for the customers, just so he knows where what's going on, and we'll maybe catch up on the red Bombardier here as soon as I'm done this. So a few guys were asking me, like, what's the deal with the Muskeg tractor, and this is permanently on hold right now. We're waiting on another engine to come in, and that's once that engine's in place and we've got that machine out the door and this one moved forward, can't really do much with this, so it's going to stay like this. Yesterday afternoon I got the last of the down payment for the red Bombardier. Randy did all the wiring as far as I know, and then he started working on the engine, getting that put back together. So we're going to finish this machine off, or at least Dad and Aidan are. I'm not doing nothing, but Dad wants to be done that one tomorrow and call the customer, and then we're going to move this one up a bit so that or have it stay in place, and then we can start stripping off the tracks. And the reason why we need that one out of the shop is we want to put all the tracks out in front here so that they're not tripping over everything. And then Dad's going to start looking at those bearings, races and seals, and taking off all those tires, and got to get rid of the sprockets. They're worn out completely. So I'm going to be starting to buy a lot more stuff here, but I'm kind of hesitant to order anything until actually Dad has inspected all those axles and whatever else, because that is our big concern, is those axles, how damaged they are. And each of these tires actually has to hold air as well, so that's part of the inspection process. I think these guys brought in their skis, so we might find that we actually have to put the skis on because of the, probably at least two of these tires aren't any good. But this is what they're going to be doing. They're going to be keeping on working on that 67, and it was a good little side project. And it could be by the time I get back here tomorrow, this machine's already gone. So, but if I do get a call for moving it out of the shop, I'll come out at lunchtime or something like that. But I know this is what Dad wants to work on and get out the door. And it's all the little things that take up time. And thank God Aidan is here, and Randy as well, because these guys do help out Dad quite a bit. And otherwise it's just too much work for one guy, and especially Dad being 83, mobile, is not as mobile as he wants to be. Meantime, this engine is just covered up, and it'll go back into the red Bombardier when we get a chance. Okay, so you guys know the dog feeding area. So this is the big container for all the dog treats. There's like literally a couple $100 worth of dog treats in here. That's what Dad's YouTube ad revenue money makes. So Dad told me that Mila got into this again this morning, pulled out a whole bag of chicken strips and ate the whole bag again today. So fun with dogs. And yeah, but we love them.